What's up YouTube, it's your Jonét and I am back with another video. And if you are to see by the title, today I'm going to be showing you guys this wig that I got from Yolissa Hair Company. This video is sponsored, so major shout out to them for sponsoring this video. I love their blonde hair. They have the best 613 wigs like ever. I'm not going to talk y'all heads off. This wig was beautiful and silky, and like I said, these are literally the best 613 wigs. I literally give them that title. Haven't came across anyone who has any better. So this is what came in the box. They sent me some HD wig caps, love those, along with some lashes, which I don't wear. They also sent me an edge brush and a satin band, which I don't use anymore, and a satin bag to put your wig in once you're done. So starting out, Kira, the Kira way Lace by Kira, did my hair. She actually did this very fun style. Sometimes when I'm too lazy to do my hair, Kira come through, and I am her brand ambassador, so it works out pretty well. If I am talking funny, it is because I have in my retainers I have to keep in overnight, so please bear with me. But the Kira's books will be opening full time very soon because she's almost done with school. Clap, 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 clap. Kudos to her for doing the right thing. Unlike me, I did not come to school, so I am pushed back for a month and a half. But that's okay. My girls graduated, so go book. So back to the specs on this hair. This is a 26-inch 613 180 density wig. I literally love everything about this wig. It was so silky. The lace was so perfect, and it was just amazing. So here she's putting on my bald cap. There's not much to the bald cap method, so I'm gonna get back with y'all when we're doing the wig. The best thing that I can tell when I have a good wig is when I put the wig on my head and it literally blends in. That's when you know you got good lace. That's when you know you got a good wig. Also, I can tell I have a good wig when it literally fits perfectly on my head. For some reason, a lot of wigs don't fit perfectly on my head, so I know that I have a really good wig when it literally fits perfect. I got a big old head, so when it fit perfect, that means okay, yeah, this one of them ones. So here she's spreading the glue out, putting the glue on, and just spreading a very thin layer to attach the lace. I believe she applied about 4 layers. So once those layers dry down, you can go ahead and adhere the lace to the glue and comb that in, press it in, and yeah, that's gonna get it to melt into your skin. So this is the toughest part, which is the elastic band. It's super tight and it gives you a headache, but it be worth it. So now she's gonna tie this custom elastic band to my head so that it can melt in. Once you let it melt and do what it needs to do, you can go ahead and cut your lace and pull out some baby hairs. Here we're getting into the style. I never really styled my hair, so I thought this would be something fun to do with the 613 wig. I do wish I would have toned the hair, toned down some of that yellow, but the hair just felt so good and so soft in its natural state that I didn't even want to bother it because it just felt so good. So, plus I was being lazy, so here she is down the hair, and we're going to put a little bun in the back, and we're doing a 3D part bun with a little soft bang in the front. Now we could have stopped and did the no baby hair look with this particular wig because I'm kind of iffy with 613 edges, but personally with this hairstyle I feel like the edges pretty much came out good, so it didn't do too much. But usually with 613 I feel like baby hair is just not a necessity, honestly. Alright, so this is how the hairstyle came out. Super duper cute. I did end up taking it out over the course of the time. But major shout out to Yolissa for sponsoring this video. All links will be in the description box below. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one.